Já viu rico namorar pobre?
Okay, so before I actually go in on my lids with the shadow, I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I used to even out the concealer on my lids and my brows. I'm just taking this and we're just lightly just tapping it and just blending out those lines. We're gonna go in with the darkest chocolate shade, which is right here. I'm just gonna take just a blending brush. And you know what? I think I would do this if I know I'm gonna use tape. I do this before, but I know I can go back in and fix my makeup if tape picks up a little bit of the product. We're gonna take some tape and we're gonna go under the bottom lash and diagonal. And you're just gonna press. You don't have to go really hard. Just light press like that, like an angle. And it's like up under the lashes, and then. The end of the tail of the brow.
Purchase your tracks today.
And I'm going with that, and I'm going to use that all over the crease. And we're just going to kind of blend it like this. Ooh, this is pretty. And actually not really putting any powder to set my eyelid helped. And it helps too with a lot of cheaper palettes. When you use cheaper palettes, I learned that just putting a concealer on your lids and not setting it helps cheaper, not as pigmented palettes. It helps pop on your eyes. The color shows a lot more. This is gorgeous and it blends so pretty. Like, I am loving this. It blends so beautiful. Let me do one more. So just blending that out, and I'm just literally going like circular motions.
Purchase your tracks today.
Back and forth. Make sure that my lids look the same. Okay, we're gonna go on. Do the green. Like, is that gonna really look pretty, or do I want to do like
purchase your tracks today?
No. Oh, okay. Oh, what was that? The blue with the. Okay. I think I know what I'm gonna do, y'all. Okay. So yeah, let's keep blending. I just got so excited. There's so many freaking colors, which means I'm gonna be able to do a lot of looks. I really like it. I've never really used this palette, and I really like it. I've had it for years. Brush here, I should have washed it. I didn't. But we're gonna go on with this. It's another Wet n Wild, like little blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with that chocolate color that I was gonna use before, which is here. And I'm gonna put that on the end, just on the end.
Purchase your tracks today.
Kind of buff that out and go in circular motions. That's how I want it to be, like more light than anything. Like, you can see it, but it's not too much.
Your tracks
I'm just gonna
today.
go back in the other blending brush and just kind of blend those two colors together. You can kind of see like the light and the dark, and that's how I want it to look, where you can see it. It's not too intense. $5.99, and it is the NYX glitter glue. And I'm just going to use a little bit of it just because I want to
purchase your tracks today.
I want the shadow to be a little bit more pigmented, and I want the colors to show. So, little Wet n Wild. Looks like a little concealer brush, I guess. I'm just gonna take that and I'm gonna carve out like a crease, a cut crease, a light cut crease, and
purchase your tracks
I'm
today.
gonna carve that out with this glue. tap it. You're just gonna tap that all
Purchase
over
your tracks today.
the lids. And I think I kind of want some up there a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of it's really sticky.
Purchase your tracks today.
I'm going to take, and you can't see it, so there's no color. You just kind of gotta know what you want to do. And then I'm going to take, it's like a really pretty, which I actually should change my lip color now that I'm thinking about it. It's, I'm trying to think what color I'm going to do first. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with this one first, and this is gonna be in the inner corner. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to tap it. It's really pretty. I'm going to take that and tap it, and I'm just gonna like lightly kind of tap that upward, and then like down.
Purchase your tracks today.
Tear duct, and you can see the colors are very, very settled. They're not pigmented at all.
Purchase your tracks today.
That I use for the crease, and we're just going to kind of lightly make sure you're at the end of your brush, and we're just going to blend that out.
Purchase your tracks today.
Just lightly. Blue, shimmer blue here, and we're going to pop that right next to that purple. So I'm kind of doing like this like galaxy. And I wanted to go at an angle, so that's why I'm doing diagonal. When you turn away, I didn't know what
to say. Purchase your tracks today.
I'm gonna just take this one here, this little black, it's like a shimmery black, and I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to go right here and bring that
down. Purchase your tracks today. Your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
I'm going to peel these off, and as you can see with the tape, it kind of took up a little bit of my makeup. Actually take the excess foundation brush, and I'm just going to sweep it just like that. That I set, and whatever excess powder, we're just going to do just like that. I don't think that I'm walking up the house looking like this. That was horrible. Oh, okay, that was much better. More elf. Off camera a little bit more. It's Still don't do it justice. But
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Oh, bitch, this is blue. That's why I wasn't using it. Okay, I'm gonna use this called Midnight. So I'm gonna do this off camera, come back and finish the look, and then we're gonna go from there. Okay, guys, so I did everything else offline. I did my lashes off camera, my eyeliner. I actually used an e.l.f. eyeliner, which is in the color Midnight. And I actually really like it. It's really cute. So it's kind of like this whole galaxy, chun-li type of vibe to it, which I like it. I can't find where I put the package, which I really needed because I really want to buy these lashes. I got these lashes from Walmart and I am obsessed with them. I love them. They actually need to get cleaned. I can't find the actual clear package with the name on it, but this is the brand that is Kiss, and this is the brand, I guess, like the little line or whatever that they have, the collection that they have, and that is the actual number there if you want to screenshot that. So yeah, these are the lashes that I have on, and I put a little liner on. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel today and seeing my eyeshadow look with this super cheap $15 e.l.f. palette. I will definitely be doing more looks on that palette, but before I do any more looks, I need you all, seriously, I need you all to like, subscribe, and hit that bell below. All my notifications. I really need you guys' support. Not for you all, I'm not gonna make it. Follow me, subscribe. Watching it is one thing, but actually following and subscribing to my channel is another. So I'm gonna put my social medias down below, and I want you all to follow me on all of my social medias at Royal P Beauty, and on Facebook it's Royal Felice, which is my middle name. So thank you guys again, and